pickleball court built in Glen Head, Brookville area. This court was installed with a recycled concrete base and 3.5 inches of compacted asphalt, and then painted with sports court paint. We used dark blue for the pickleball area and a dark green for the out of bounds area. The court was striped with the white lines. We installed an adjustable multi-sport netting. Right now it's set up just for pickleball. The client wanted to be just a pickleball court, but the extension can always be added to adjust the netting to be a badminton or volleyball. We installed an all aluminum adjustable hoop. The landscape for the court was designed to resemble an English garden. Boxwood edging was installed all around the perimeter of the court. This is the latest sports court built by Gappsi in Nassau County, New York.